Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by eliminating the simple hardware causes. Confirm the power cable and adapter are fully seated, and plug the projector into a different outlet to rule out poor power. Once done, check the on-screen menu for lamp hours and temperature warnings so you know if the lamp or overheating is a factor. Next, swap the input cable or try a known good laptop. Intermittent signal often mimics flicker, so isolate power versus source right away. You now address settings and airflow. Change lamp mode between normal and eco, because lamp electronics and brightness scaling can cause flicker. Test after each change to compare. Make sure vents are clear. Power down and use compressed air to remove dust, and confirm fans spin smoothly to prevent thermal throttling. Then update firmware if available, or perform a display settings reset and run a test using one fixed resolution and refresh rate to remove scaling or handshake problems. You finish by replacing consumables and isolating persistent faults. If lamp hours are high or flicker continues after all checks, replace the bulb. Flicker often signals failing lamp electronics. Make sure signal cables are short and shielded. Use a powered HDMI or an active adapter for long runs because signal loss can produce intermittent flicker. If problems persist, document the flicker pattern and test with a different projector to determine whether the issue is the source, the cable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.